Does your company face sludge problems in heating and cooling circuits? The VitalQuartz T Series systems are the cost-effective and ecological solution. We offer a wide range of sizes, from single household circuits to industrial processes. Regardless of your field of expertise, the T Series will help you save on energy. The T Series is used for both single and communal heating circuits, in industry, DHW loops, or cooling circuits. Our systems also work on swimming pools, wastewater treatment, the cooling of sensitive sites, and lakes and ponds. The performances of your installation are re-established in a few weeks. The VitalQuartz systems are more efficient than desludging or sludge recuperators. They use no chemicals, no energy, and no magnets. They are economical. They don't need any consumables or maintenance. And above all, they enable you to adopt a sustainable and ecological approach for maintaining your systems. To get more information about our systems and their prices, give us a call at +33 563 405 869.